I'm not going to that beard when I'm night.
The woman them a complain so no musty. Cleaning her arm hole and them. Should I probably just left it where it there? Vlog, what's up, man? Just gonna collect another package and I'm heading home now. Sky's kinda overcast. I did check the forecast this morning and they say it might rain around 12 o'clock. And when I was leaving out of the house, it was drizzling. A man said to me, go and take up the umbrella. I said, no, I'm not walk with no umbrella. I trust in my feet to hold me, and make me reach back home before rain start falling. I keep your feet. I have one more thing left to do. I gotta inquire for my mother. I am hungry right now. Might have to stop at the little food place if rain start fall and get something there. Because I hope the rain start fall while me I walk back. As usual, man, come out and I spend more money than I needed to, but in the long run, I guess it would all make sense, But they end up sorting out something for my mother. So next move, I'm gonna get some food, or yeah, go grab a taxi to get some food to eat. Oh my God! Who should have carried the umbrella but never carry it? I never face the consequences of my actions. In a taxi a while ago, right? There was a lady in there. Cute looking thing, you know what I mean? See her face. But then when me hear she talk, you can know see one of them women they were rough, She cute though, no lie. And her skin look nice and smooth. Anyways, she come in there and she talk about her brother where I try to look at her while she was in the other taxi we drop her off where this a taxi I pick her up. I say you would have rum cup in her hand, half a light spliff back her ears, and then I try to look at her. And the boss green. My brothers, what's going on, man? This is the second time within a couple of weeks me hear the woman them a complain say nah take care of yourself when it comes to having a bath. Now I could have said in my mind, maybe I work him I come from, that's why I'm kinda mustish. But then she say I'm not even enough money to pay the full bus fare. But look on them and sitting here how I go on there, so brother. I must see blouse and a skirt, cash pot, I have to go play right now. Rainfall, man. And them vibes the rain rain great. Anyways, so I say I'm not even enough money to pay the bus, so it sound like a careless man for real. But this is to say, brothers, underneath your bed, yeah man, make sure you sound smell clean around your woman, because if for one thing a woman I got notice when you're there around her or sitting, if she come near you, or how you smell. So on a bed, yeah? Clean on her arm hole and them. Always have in my bag black pepper and whatsoever. They think you would have smell better than how it smell, but it is better than smelling musty. Always have it. When you see me with my bag in there, anything else when I can keep it, put in there. So man them, investing on yourself, brother. Buy a good roller and walk around with a little buckle of axe. Yeah? Yeah. The woman them a complain so no musty. So this is from the food spot where I did some want to try, but I never try in our last vlog. I didn't go back at the old place. And to them, I think me I go go my original place, but I end up come at the new place. So this is how them food look. I did want leg and thigh, but them say you don't know. I just breast and them both breast, leg and wing them did have left. So I work with it, mash it down. I am almost like halfway through the food. It's good. It's good. I like it. I'll go there again. For sure. But I decided to just talk to him while I'm there. So probably I wonder when I'm going to pick up on the road. Mosquito, chill. Don't be like the flies. Don't be like the flies. Oh, you don't know, man, I have some lime water. I saw a video last night and the man explained the importance of putting lime, lemon him did I say, but lemon, lime, ICMT, of putting it in your water. I could try to put it in the video description so you can go check it out for yourself. But I went on the road to collect was another ring light. I get another ring light. Now I have two ring lights. It's a 10-inch. I don't know if I need to show you the first one I'm gonna get it, but this is the first one. And it works pretty well. And it got really tall too, which we never expect. So that's good. So I have two now can light up my thing nice when I go film. And I have some filming to do. I wanted to do it today, but can start tomorrow. Not the short film, just some work when we need to get done. So I'm gonna deal with that. Hey, you know some boy look cute though. Oh, flies gotta be. If I see it and they go from man. Stupid. I'm not couldn't tell me that I'm beard when midnight. That shit is funny. So I have a second ring light, which means I can do the work that I need to get done. I can light myself properly and look sort of more professional in a way, like in terms of what I plan to do. If I'm not looking at a camera enough, I truly admire myself. And also, I get myself, it was something I thought about buying for the longest while now, one soldering iron. And you know, I got some of the solder, yeah, so. I mean, I think to myself, you know, people, you know how much headphones me dash with, and what would have fixed the problem? It's just a simple solder, because sometimes I just wire like pull off or somewhere and it need to get soldered back on. But I never have no solder. I remember about this from in a high school. But I mean, that video, I said they cheap, like $7.50. I don't think that's a bad price. I was expecting it to be cheap, and I'm guessing that you probably can find like cheaper versions. Not curling iron, you know, soldering iron. This is for electrical work where you solder and use the solder yourself. And you put it on little pieces of wire when it need to be attached to another piece and all of them something. I'm guessing there's some form of electrical conductor, but it's meltable. So you heat up this, you plug in this and it heat up, and then you just touch it on like a piece of this, and it goes to boom and melt, and then when it dry, it harden and conduct electricity and all of them things. So I've always wanted one. And the reason why I got this is because my little light behind this, so it kind of break off. You know the color strips? So it break off, and I think soldering it will fix the problem. I'm gonna try and solder the light. That's what I'm gonna try and do. So I'll probably come back to you. Not probably, I will come back to you when I'm done eating. Boy, have you seen it? You think someone just hold yourself Lego? Boy, have you use! I'm not even get to go back to my food yet. So them type of music here, like people go in a studio, record it and put it out, you know. Somebody uncle go in a studio, record it and put it out. And me there, so this a ramp with the little music thing, not even take it too serious. Yo, send me beats here, man. Send me beats. Kevin2crazy@gmail.com. Send me some instrumental, some mad beat. Cause no, listen. Bloodstain? Huh? Yo, send me beats, bro. Send me beats. But don't you ramping now. Then all brother where they link me on IG attack, but you know send me no beat yet, you know, people. That's like, you see me as a man, I not send nothing to people if I not go do it. I not like, you know what I mean, just verbalize for the sake of chatting. If I go do something, I go do it. Especially when it's important to you and you act upon like a certain thing when I throw out for you and you act upon it, I go make sure I deal with things with you. Niggas. But to rip through this right now, I want to test the light, of course. I have to test it, I have to make sure that it's running. What's that? These are the legs. Ring, boy. What it comes with is this for like your cell phone, spin around and all of them things. So what you do, because I already know how to do this, you know what I mean? You just screw this on in here, yeah? Straighten up this. So what you want, you loosen up that, boom. The head comes up like that. And yeah, just this is so that they can move around. Do stuff like this, like bend the light down, bend the light back, side to side, you know, them type of thing. There's this cap that comes on here. It's covering the thing that is, you're gonna screw into the bottom of the swivel. And you screw it on nice and tight. Remember now, man. This is the end of it, the USB thing. But I'm guessing that most persons have the some form of this lying around that works with the USB, so you can just plug your USB in a that. And you plug it into your socket. You can adjust the legs to like be like this. Look. The light comes on, it has a little switch. The light comes on and you click it, boom, that's your light. This is the daytime and the white light mix. Then you press the cycling button in the middle to cycle through. That's the daytime light, the white light. And then you have the the orange light. I'm not really a big fan of the orange light anyways. I like to use like the white lights, and you can adjust the brightness, yeah, or you can make it nice and bright. So I got 2 of these babies now. Here's one. We need to get another one for this. Same size, and I just threw this. You see, perspective is a hell of a thing. I threw this the closer to the camera so it look bigger, but they actually the same size. Illusion. See, look at it now. Same size, 10-inch. It is important that you invest in yourself, especially in areas or in things that you truly care about. So say for example, you like painting, you buy your little brush them. Whenever you get a little money, you put a little bit aside, buy your brush them. You know what I mean? Sometimes you have to go sacrifice, but do it. Trust me, it go worth it. So invest in yourself. And this goes right back to the man them when now be it. Invest in yourself, brother. You smell good, you have a better chance of woman, you know, giving you a chance. Just because you smell good. You might not look good. You might even look like a croff in some sense, but you smell good. So that means that you take care in how you present yourself in some way. You know? Yeah. If it's even that, you want that a little bit of points there. So you can get a better connection with the female where you try to look. So invest in yourself in all aspects of life. Invest in yourself. I'm going to try to solder that thing there now and hopefully I'm not burn down the house. This is what it currently looks like, Zine. All of them here now get no power because right down there so where the light stop, you see me again zoom like right there so where the light stop, it was breaking, and on the day when I was putting it behind here, it broke off. Right? So down there so where me have to go do the soldering, and we will come back and see if it works. But first, I will have to attend one of the most dependable and can I say exquisite colleges that is free on the internet, known as the College of YouTube.
And you'll get good at it too.
I'm not trying to get good at it. I just want to start. I don't want to look at
something with which to clean your tip, like a wet sponge or a brass sponge, some solder, and while optional, a pair of helping hands can really come in handy.
Alright, cool. Alright, so I'm gonna find a video of 3 minutes, 5 minutes. It look like no 1 minute one that did this. So I'm gonna watch a look at 3 minute one, 3-4 minute one and see what's up.
Also, especially if you're a beginner, you should be wearing safety goggles.
I don't know none of that when we have this.
So let's jump right into it.
This is how bright it is, like when I darken up the place, this is how it looks. Cross your fingers and pray for me that this thing, it does work. Okay. Alright people, so them say we need a wet sponge to clean off the solder off of the soldering iron. I have that. I got my rubber gloves because electricity I work with, you have to make sure so you protect yourself. And also we have our soldering iron. I don't think it will take more than this, maybe even way less. And also I'll put on the cracks, you know, on my foot. Because if my memory serves me correctly, rubber is a good is it insulate where rubber does not conduct electricity. So rubber is poor at doing that. Coming back from high school days, electrical class, Mr. Harrison, as always, big up yourself, sir. The information you were putting out, they never just did a float around in the sky. It somehow collect up yourself. Big up yourself, Mr. Harrison. Over Chester, big up yourself. If me not mistaken, you know, remember you, Mr. Harrison used to tell us stories of him as a young youth, have him like a solder iron, a solder things before it, and that's how he end up on female journey of becoming an electrical what that class name? Electric. But he end up with him becoming a teacher for electrical class. So I'm saying me learn nothing I know. We never do no soldering, not that I can remember, but you know, some of the information that was taught to us, it was retained. Again, big up yourself, Mr. Harrison. Shoulder fear swing, down ding. We wanted the world, baby. Alright, so this is where the break happened in the thing. I think I should pull off all of these just so that I'm able to really do my thing. You know what I mean? Drop the tit up and do my thing. You can always put on no thing, isn't me? Boom. Alright, yeah, so this is a break. Should be fairly simple. Should be fairly simple, man. Right there, boom. So this just needs to be like that. And we good again. Need some of the recipe on. The gloves them feel like them are gonna bug me. And let's just hope that I'm protected by these things right here. I don't know why I have to put a cardboard box. Again, that is not safe. I'm a novice. Here, you're not even giving me instructions for like how long I'm supposed to wait. Sweat like a hog, I mean, do not need it. That is what it looks like. That is what it look like. I make it dry a little bit, I'm gonna turn it on yet to see what really are going. If I have made the problem worse or what. Maybe I could have done a better job, Zine, if me never did put myself in a such an uncomfortable position. I could have actually sit down around the table and them thing there, but it's called half-assing. So try your best not to half-ass. I sweat. And it's the moment of truth. But plug this bad boy up and see if nothing goes pop. Something go pop, I'm running. Ladies and gentlemen, look what we hear. Everything light up now. Papa Jesus. Eh? The boy not use. Tell me if the boy not use. Feel proud of myself. No lie, no lie. The people, me just a pre-war go on. We got. I mean, some of it is working. The only one missing is the green, right? We have the blue, we have the red. I gotta figure out what go on down there with the green and circle back. And you ain't trying to see nobody but him. Nobody but him. I think the green was not properly connected, but I'm gonna go at it again, man. I think that should be good, you know. Even though I know what I go on already, because I did testy. People, look like me frig it up. Oh my God! Should I probably just left it where it did there? This is no bueno. Alright, so the issue is definitely at that little part. I'm wondering if I should just cut that off and attach a next part to it. It's proving to be. I had it right. I should have just do without the green light. But you know, I'm not trying to half-ass it. Or 1/3 ass it in this case. I'm still here. I'm waiting for it to dry. If I get two again, I'll just call it a day. So I cut off the piece where the soldering never go on so good. Cut off the piece there and then I connect two other ends. I make sure I say, oh, what is that? The volt line up with the volt, the blue line up with the blue, the green line up with the green, and the red line up with the red. As you see there, RGB, red, green, blue, and then the top one I must have for the power, right? So them they line up, and I'm about to solder on them together. Pray for me. This is how much I dey set me cut off, cause the soldering me frig up a good portion. When me done, is either me not gonna have no LED left, no solder left, and no knee left. I've got left this a little project cafe next year, brother. It's still there, you know. I just connect back the piece way. Nah, no juice. Hopefully me can deal with that tomorrow, but me done for tonight. There will either be a continuation or this is the end of the vlog. If you want to see the continuation, then bling blang, bloom blang. I'll clean up the place, you know. I'll set up back things.